More information on the SMART study. We had discussed before about the different aspects of the conscious mind, perceptions, and the world reality, or the world around you. As sometimes I state as the mental landscape right here. Now, we have a conscious mind, which is our awareness. We're aware of because it comes through our perceptions. Things that we perceive, we're conscious of. I'm aware of this, I see this, I hear this, I'm conscious and aware of this pencil right here, okay? Touch it, I can touch it, I can see it, it falls, I can hear it, these things from my conscious world reality, subconscious world reality right here being perceived right here from perceptions into my conscious mind right here. Now, things here now are always perceived into the conscious mind, and that's where we can get stressful situations. I discussed before there, you can feel the stress, the aspects of stress, but not know what they are because you're not perceiving them. So remember, you have to perceive something, you have to interact with it in order to change it, in order to make it different. If you can't interact with it, then you can't change it. Okay, so perceptions, some say 5, there's also one more, 6. We will get into that 6th one later too about this, because in this we talk about a lot of existential mental situations when pertaining to these different aspects here, right here. Now, we all know that things in the conscious mind are not the same as here. So you're dealing with a dualistic reality here based upon your perceptions, though, because some things are perceived and some things aren't. And this is where lies the mistake. This is where you have to know yourself in order to change your perceptions to perceive the different aspects of your world reality and know what's going on in pertaining to your stress. Now, these situations can come through many dynamics depending upon what you're dealing with in these 3 different aspects. But it's something to take into mind and to note. This also is a different diagram that's inside the book that you can check out. There's many different diagrams. I drew all these diagrams by hand to give you a better explanation instead of it gives it a little bit more of a personal touch. How you see those old books a long time ago before they had computers and stuff, used to draw and write all this stuff and everything else down in the book. So I wanted to keep that old type of old world aspect to it by having the drawn actual images and pictures, though, that would make it a little bit present a little bit more personality to the book. So if you wonder why these drawings are drawn and not actually printed out like on a computer, like some textbooks you see, it's because I wanted to keep a little more realistic aspect. And yes, they were drawn by this hand right here. See, these are my notes right here, and this is one of the this is the picture that was taken that was put into the book. So all these images that you will see from here from my notes are actually from my notes. Well, one of many notes, but this right here pertains to the images and stuff in the stress management study. More on that later. Thank you very much.